Good morning. It's a beautiful morning. It's the warmest it's been. It's like 65 degrees, 18 degrees Celsius. We're hitting, it's about 9:15. We had to drive about half an hour. We woke up at like 8. You know, I had to get things ready. Left the campsite at 8:45. Drove 30 minutes. We're at this first waterfall, Fardagafoss. It's less than a mile each way, about 0.8 miles. You do go up 500 feet, so not just a flat viewpoint, but nonetheless pretty easy. Good start to the day. Then we have another waterfall after this, Hengifoss, which I think is pretty epic. And then we have the famous Storrud Trail, which is like 10.6 miles. And then we're seeing Studlago Canyon, which I believe is the famous basalt canyon, basalt columns on either side, where you walk on the ledges. I think that's really cool too. So we have some cool stuff today. Awesome morning. We're by the town of Egilsstadir, which is, I think, the major city on the east side. We've hit an intermediate waterfall. Not sure if it has a name or not, but there it is. Pretty powerful. Well, here's Fardagafoss. I don't know if we climb up or what, but here's a viewpoint here. Looking back, the trail sort of keeps going. I don't know if we get up on top. I'm gonna look at the map. And here we are. Can walk right under it if I really want to. Waterfalls. Alright. It's sort of windy out here. You can see the waterfall out there. Hengifoss. Just heading up, drove along this big lake. Pretty impressive lake. Very long, like, I don't know, 20 miles long or something. Here we are. I guess you can't get any closer. I was hoping I could just hop across and walk up there, but this is Hengifoss. I like those, just the red streaks in the black is pretty cool. I mean, I think I could definitely cross this river on rocks and walk up closer. I just don't know if you're supposed to or not, so I'll be good and stay here. But pretty cool waterfall. I came a little bit closer. I mean, I could easily walk across and keep going, but like I said, I don't know how much of a point there is, but got a little closer, a little bit better view, so I'll check out some of the signs and the little waterfalls on the way down. This is Litlanesfoss. You got the basalt columns on either side, which is cool. There's a sign about them. How the lava, the magma, then there was lava, and then the lava cooled and somehow the water flowed over it and accelerated the cooling, and that's how the basalt columns formed. So, cool waterfall.